Hi, I'm Jenny with CocoaDaisy, and in this video we're unboxing the planner kit, notebooks, and planner inserts from the August 2026 Along the Path collection. It is time to unbox the Along the Path planner kit. Our planner kit comes in this heavy plastic folder. All right, so first up in the planner kit we have 3 sheets of patterned paper. And these pattern papers are 13 inches by 8.5 inches, and they are folded and scored in half. So the first one is this lovely plaid, and then the inside is this beautiful watercolor topographic map. We also have this really cool sort of collage paper. And then the inside is this really beautiful blue tone-on-tone pattern. And then last we have this really cool denim sheet, and the inside is like a vintage ledger. So those are the patterned papers. Then we also have a sheet of PET stickers, and the designs are so pretty. Look at all of those. In case you haven't used PET stickers, they're wonderful because they're super thin. You're not going to be adding any bulk to your pages at all. And these are kiss cut, so you just simply peel them off the page and use them. And also a side benefit that I personally love is that they don't come on a roll, so they're a little bit easier to store than some PET stickers can be, because some of those rolls can get a little bit unwieldy. They're still wonderful, but they're a little bit harder to store. All right, so we have a set of stickers that are included in our planner kit, and you receive 4 sheets. So there are 2 that are a larger sticker sheet. This one has like the tab and then the labels for the tabs, the dates, little icons, things like that. And then you also have a sheet of alphabet stickers, and then also some more dates, and then some labels that you can fill in down below. And then we have a sheet that is very popular of our alphas and our dates, and then also some little icons, and a sheet of decorative stickers as well. So it's awesome because they coordinate with everything, and that is very cool. All right, so we have a package of our self-adhesive pockets. You can stick these anywhere, of course. They're great like inside of our notebooks or planner inserts, things like that. But obviously they work wonderfully anywhere. So there's 2 different sizes. There's a larger one and a smaller one. And you can just add your little items right into that pocket, and you simply just peel it right off the back and it's ready to go. So we have this Genuine Great Outdoors one, and then we also have this The Adventure Begins. There is a beautiful little decorative card, and on the back it is perfect for testing your pen inks and other stamp inks, markers, whatever you want to test out to see if they coordinate with the collection. We also have an acrylic calendar card as well. You can see it is a clear acrylic. You do need to peel the little protective layer off. You can use it like it is, use it like a bookmark. You can also punch it and add it to your planner or other notebook. It's just a very lovely little calendar card. We have a package of die cut stickers. There is a variety of items included. So we have our tabs, and these are our larger tabs. The ones in our creative kit are a little bit smaller. Each of these is a different pattern, but they do coordinate really well, like with the little label stickers included in the sticker kit. And then also included is a bunch of really fun decorative images too. All you have to do is peel the back of these off, and they stick right to your project. Aren't those so pretty? Just lots of different little bits and pieces. Okay, so now we also have a sticky notepad, and that is so pretty. Look, it's kind of like an off-white sort of linen-ish color and has the beautiful florals down at the bottom. And of course, you can just peel that off and stick it right onto whatever needs a little reminder. And then we have an acrylic washi card. So if you're going to take something, take it somewhere with you, you can add like a couple of strips of washi tape and take this right with you. It also has a hole at the top, so if you want to add it to like your planner rings or something like that, it would go wonderfully. You could also obviously put like a tassel or something like that. Okay, we also have a magnetic clip. So it's in this half circle shape. Let me pull a couple of these out and I'll stick them together so that you can see it. Obviously, I know you know what magnetic means, but you just add that and then you can use it as your bookmark or holding whatever together. It's just a really cute little light blue half circle, and it will go beautifully with all of the rest of the items included in the kit. Now, the one thing that I don't have here today to share with you is the Zebra Sarasa Vintage Green Pen. They were not in the warehouse yet when I received my kits, so you will have to look at the website to see what that pen looks like. But we do have this beautiful roll of washi tape. It is like being in the forest or the mountains. There is a little log cabin also. Hopefully you can see that right there. Some boulders over here. Just a really beautiful roll of washi tape. So this is our Along the Path planner kit, and you can subscribe to this and receive everything you've seen here. Or you can subscribe to this with one of our notebooks and our planner inserts. Let me go ahead and show all of those to you now. All right, let's check out the planner inserts and the notebooks from the Along the Path collection. So first of all, you can receive all of these as an add-on with our planner kit, or you can subscribe to them on their own. They are all also printed at a printer somewhat local to CocoaDaisy using recycled papers and recycled inks. So we have two different types of planner inserts in 3 different sizes. And then we have 6 different notebooks in 2 different designs and 5 different sizes. So let's go ahead and start with the notebooks. I normally start with the inserts, but today I'm feeling like I should start with the notebooks. Okay, so we have our notebooks that they are all the same, and there's 5 different sizes. And then we also have our Simple Daisy notebook. This is a standard size traveler's notebook, but it does not look like these notebooks on the inside. So I'm going to go ahead and show this one to you because it's very different than the rest of the notebooks. All right, so it's a standard size traveler's notebook, as I said before, and it has the heavy craft cover like the rest of the notebooks do, and then this beautiful printed cover on the inside. When you open it up, there is a mix of pattern papers and then also different types of papers. So some of them are a grid and some of them are dot grid. This notebook is wonderful for scrapbooking, but it's also fantastic for planning and for journaling as well. I've seen people do all of these things, plus collaging and all kinds of other really cool things, and I'm always blown away by how beautifully they use this notebook. The paper in all of these, the inserts, is beautiful. It is a really lovely weight. It has a great tooth, and it is also fountain pen friendly. So the Simple Daisy notebook, you can subscribe to it on its own, but you can also subscribe to it as an add-on with the scrapbooking kit or the planner kit. So it's really a very unique product. All right, so next we have the rest of our notebooks. So as I said already, there are 5 different ones. There is an A5 size. There is a standard size traveler's notebook. There is a B6 size. There is a Daisy Weeks, which is roughly the same size as a Hobonichi Weeks. and then our mini notebook as well. So you can see there's 5 different notebooks, and they are all the same on the inside, except for obviously they are scaled for their proportions. So I'm going to show you the A5 as it's the largest, and you'll be able to see it the best. All right, so it also has the heavy craft cover, and then you open it up and it has this beautiful artwork on the inside. We get straight into our striped pages, and these are incredibly popular, and you see why. They're just beautiful. They're a lovely, lovely, wonderful, unique sort of page. And on the left-hand side, there is a lined page for notes or journaling or whatever you'd like to use them for. There is a sprinkle of artwork along the edges, but it leaves the majority of the space available for your use. Then we get into our dated monthly calendar. This is the only dated portion of the notebook. The rest of it doesn't have any dates or anything like that. And it does also include like a little sidebar, and it's just wonderful. And now we get into the, I'm going to call them blank pages, but obviously they're not blank because obviously there's a little bit of artwork included, but they are for the most part ready for all of your planning, journaling, things like that. As I said with the Simple Daisy notebook, the paper is beautiful, it's fountain pen friendly. It's just a really, really nice, high quality, usable notebook that if you want to add more decorative elements to it, you absolutely can. But if you're good here with this amount that inspires you, then you are lucky because you already have beautiful artwork waiting for you. These work great for journaling, they work great for collaging, scrapbooking, planning, whatever. Okay, so we have 3 different sizes of our inserts, but there are 2 different types. So what I mean by that is that we have our classic vertical, and they do not look the same as our A5 and our personal. These do look the same, they're only different because of the scale of the paper, like the size of the paper. You can receive both of the A5 and the personal size punched or unpunched. I have the punched version here, but our classic vertical only come unpunched. They're ready for you to punch for your rings or your discs or whatever you like to use. You could even spiral punch them, whatever you choose. So I'll go ahead and take a look at these first. I'm going to show you the A5. The personal size are exactly the same, just obviously a little bit smaller, but they are ready for your needs. Okay, so the cover is a heavyweight cardstock that has a little tab you can see right there. Like I said, have the punched version, but you can get them unpunched as well. You have a month at a glance sort of monthly calendar here. It is dated. Only the monthly calendars are dated in the inserts. We have our striped pages. There's enough in both these, all of the inserts and notebooks, that you will last an entire month. And then at the end, you have the same dot grid page here, and then you have a grid page here, perfect for journaling, scrapbooking, whatever notes you like to use them for. And we get right into our weekly view. So it is a horizontal layout, and then down at the bottom, Sunday and Saturday share a row. And in between each week, we have 2 pages that are perfect for notes. And you can use it for like note taking, jotting down ideas, lists, journaling, scrapbooking, you name it. There are enough of the weekly view for the whole month, so you won't run out. And when we are at the end of the weekly view, you have not only the notes page on the left, but then you also have sort of this checklist on this right. And we have our monthly view. This is the larger dated monthly view, also includes the sidebar. And we get into we're going into our daily pages. So we have this sort of year at a glance right here, and then a page for notes, scrapbooking, you get the idea. Now our daily pages are set up to be 2 pages for 1 day. So you have the left-hand side that is great for, you guessed it, journaling, jotting down ideas, notes, lists, scrapbooking, whatever. And then you have the right-hand side that is set up a little bit more planning specific, but obviously still works in a variety of ways. You have room for the date, and then you have 4 different sections that you can add appointments, checklists, whatever. And then this nice little faux sticky note that you can use to highlight something important or specific. So there is enough of these 2-page layouts for the whole month, so you'll be able to plan each day and not run out of pages. You have the beautiful artwork around the edges, and it leaves plenty of room for all your planning needs. All of these look the same, and as I said, there is enough for the whole month. Isn't that great? I just love it because the paper is so pretty. I always feel like it's so luxe when I'm flipping through it. It's just really gorgeous. As I told you before, you can receive these punched or unpunched. I just want to make sure you know that because I have the punched version here, and I know that could be confusing. And then at the back, a nice plain notes page. So you can choose A5 or personal size, punched or unpunched in these inserts. Now, our other style of inserts is our classic vertical. These are a 7x9 insert. They coordinate perfectly with our Daisy planner. They're also roughly the same size as a classic Happy Planner or the standard size Erin Condren. The cover is a nice heavyweight cardstock. You can see right there, it's just lovely. Not only is it beautiful, but it's just a really great weight. And then the back side does have room for some notes right there. You can see you get 2 notes pages. And then we have our monthly calendar. Now, something I want to note is that you do have enough room here in the gutter so that you can punch it and add it to your discs or rings or however you like to use this. Then we have our weekly view. There's enough of these included so that you don't run out through the month. You have a vertical design and also a sidebar. Not every journey needs a map. That's really cute. Okay, so then you can see at the end, we have the sort of checklist note page. And then we have our striped pages. These are different than the striped pages in the others because there's a couple of different features here. You have, these sheets are perforated, so you can fold them over very easily, and as I said before, there's still room to punch these so that you can leave them in your planner and have them folded over, whatever. So the left-hand side has the weekly striped like the other planners, and then this side has a checklist. On the back, this dot grid is on the back side of the checklist, and then this checklist is on the back side of the stripe. So I personally use this for meal planning for the week, and then I add my list here and pull this out and take it with me to the grocery store. I know lots of people use these in different ways, photo a day, things like that. You know, there's just so many different ways. I would hate to say like, oh my gosh, you should use it this way, because I know somebody has a way better idea than I do. There is also enough of these to last you throughout the month, so you have one for each week. If you want to know more specific information, all of that is included on our website. You can find all of the details and images and digital renderings of these, and make sure to check all of those out.